Congress candidate from Laitumkhrah-Malki constituency, Manuel Badwar, cast his vote today. Speaking exclusively to DD News Meghalaya, Badwar hopes to revive the Congress party in the state beginning from his constituency. A total of 5 candidates are contesting from the Laitumkhrah-Malki constituency.
That's what I don't think so that there's a downfall as far as public is concerned. I think the grassroots level support for the Congress is still very strong. The only thing is that we've had leaders who probably don't have really strong principles and moral background, for which we've lost a couple of them. But never to say that we are also trying to rebuild the party, and there will be a resurgence, especially among younger leaders, more educated leaders, more, should I say, principled leaders, and we are grooming. As far as we know, is that we are making headway, and we are building it block by block. And I don't think so. It'll be long from the time when the Congress will come back into power, and the Congress will at least come back as a resurgence, because I can feel that the vibe in everywhere we go, that as far as the public is concerned, there is that hope, and it should start somewhere, right? It should start somewhere, and we believe that it'll start from Shillong City, it'll start from our constituency maybe, and maybe it'll start from Bapi and same constituency. It'll start, but as you've noticed, that there are a lot of candidates also from the Congress this time who are very young and dynamic, and we believe that these people, especially the new lot that is being groomed, especially by the leaders right now, I think this is it's a good future for the party. It's a good future for the state also. Yeah, people should vote for us, not necessarily me alone, but people should vote for change. People should vote for somebody who really have these strong ideas as to how to rebuild our society. People should vote for people who has a strong thought process, and probably who are very principled in the way they approach things, and who are determined. Yeah, and I think the determination part is the most important part, because I think in anything that we do, we need strong political will. I've not seen such strong political will with many leaders. Many just go with the flow, or go with whatever is required, but there's no imagination. There's no such thing as a long-term plan. They don't see what is 20 years ahead. They don't even see what is 15 years ahead. And I think people should vote for not necessarily only me, but a lot of new leaders that are coming up right now are of that caliber. And I believe that Meghalaya has a good chance in coming up as a society, and from every aspect of life. Yeah.